Well, this is Into the Wild on Net Geo with Mumbaikar boy and Ron, not Rajnikant and Akshay Kumar this time. Fucking hell. Right now we are visiting Tiger Waterfall. Oh my god, I hope there are no tigers here. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Mumbaikar Boy. I hope you are doing well. And yes, we are here on this beautiful ride. We are going to Mini Dudhsagar, as you have read it in the description. This is my first ride, as I initially said, after lockdown hit Goa again. I was stuck in Mumbai for at least 1.5 months. And it feels so nice to be back with Laila on these beautiful roads of Goa. As you can see, we have just left from Mapsa. That is Sayesh. I was supposed to meet Oswin, who was on my previous ride with me and Ron as well, but Sayesh was not feeling well, so he could not come in. But nevertheless, we'll catch him on another ride because he's one of the riders who mostly does rides with me and Ron. So you can see the fog just settling in, and it's going to get clear, but till now we have not we've had rains early in the morning. That's the reason you can see the floor really wet. Nevertheless, I've worn my inner liner, so I should be fine, but Sayesh has forgotten to put his inner liner. Otherwise, rest, I leave it up to you to enjoy this ride with me. And I've taken my shorts and stuff. My Royal Enfield pants actually will turn into shorts because they have a zipper. And apart from that, I've taken some clothes to actually go ahead and enjoy the waterfall this time. So stay tuned guys, and let's enjoy this ride. That's 140 right now, 140. Come on Laila. Oh Mary Laila. So the churches that you can see over there is the Old Goa Basilica and the Old Goa Church, where Saint Francis's body is there. So that is the road. So the initial Old Goa road was that side, but this time it is this side. So yes, this is the new road that you see. And we need to take this left to go to Ron's house. What's up people, you're on camera, you're on camera. Oh my god, the biggest rider is here, huh? How come you all decided to come today?
After so long,
how are you?
every time he's calling down.
Good. Bajaj Platina. That is Raniel on his FZ. And that is Machu and her husband on the Pulsar. So I've left the guys behind because I had to fuel up. And that is exactly what I'm doing right now. Very good. Full core, huh? Haan. So we have reached to Ponda city at the moment, and this is the same route going to Dudhsagar. It's a beautiful climate. Of course, you can see it. It's over here. It is. You can see the fog actually not yet settled in. But see the roads, it's so beautiful. Let's see what this board, or the signage board at the in the front says. So it says normal speed meets every needs. Wow. So this is Molem, Bengaluru and Hubli. So this is Hubli is 175, Bengaluru is 578 and Molem is 31 kilometers. I'm very lucky that I did a few rides in Mumbai just because of Anthony. Otherwise, that would be hitting my heart, saying that I was in Mumbai for 1.5 months and I didn't do rides. But yes, I'm very happy that I did a few rides. Of course, one being solo, two being with Anthony. Definitely enjoyed. This is actually reminding me of the roads towards Malshej Ghat. Of course, you might agree with me as well. Where you have greenery on both the sides, and the climate over here, even with the sun coming up. At what time is it? It is at 8:30. Well, the still the sun is not completely above our heads. It is right on this side. So yes, it is not that hot, but the climate over here is just cool enough. Wow, this looks like as if you are entering a jail. Walls on both the sides. That's a beautiful view. Almost reached, but not too sure where. What happened? What happened?
So we have actually stopped for a guy of Sayesh. There's a guy coming in. I'm not sure what he's actually. I think he's the one who's going to show us where this small little Dudhsagar waterfall is. In the meantime, there's a train that has come over here. We're waiting for it to leave just to show you. It's a station. It's Kolam station that we've come to. So the guys have finally come to take us to the spot, and we're getting ready to hop onto the bikes and go to the spot. Finally, Ron is right there, and we should be at the spot within another. How many minutes? 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. We should be at the spot.
So we have actually reached very close to Dudhsagar waterfalls. Let's see if it's open. If you see over here, right here on this board. Oh yeah, we are going towards Dudhsagar waterfall. So it says over here, welcome to Dudhsagar waterfall. So we're just going to see if Dudhsagar waterfall, how it is at the moment. So this is the road to Dudhsagar. Mind you, we are not going to Dudhsagar, we are going to mini Dudhsagar. So this is basically, that place is basically where this water itself flows down and gives you a small kind of effect of Dudhsagar. So here you can see the water levels had risen up so much that the trees are completely worn out. Oh, see the elephant over here. Wow! So we have reached Dudhsagar waterfalls. Unfortunately, the Dudhsagar waterfalls is closed, as you all know that there was a lot of flooding. But we are at a very beautiful spot. You can see two beautiful elephants. They are actually chained, but they are right here. So yes, that is the best view for us, because there are a few more elephants on top, but we won't trouble them because they are actually resting right now. But I'll give you a small glimpse of them. So what you see right here is, this is the same way that the jeeps, the boleros take you, but due to the level of the water, that's the only reason Dudhsagar is closed, is because there is a lot of water level crossings that you have to do, which apparently the boleros cannot do at the moment. So you can see it right here. So actually they do the crossing right here and they go there. You can see it right there. So level is really high, that's the reason. So the levels have reached right up there. That's the reason Dudhsagar was closed and the water was flowing here and there. You can see one more elephant right there. I hope you can see it. So it's time to go. You can hear a train passing, so it's time to go to the spot that we have to go to. Yes, the mini Dudhsagar. So I think we're going to catch hold of this water flow that is right there, somewhere down. So let's go ahead and check that place out. So finally we have stopped for breakfast after at least 3 hours of riding. We were at the foot of Dudhsagar, but unfortunately we could not go to Dudhsagar. It's only because, you know, I've seen it in the vlog as well. And now it's time to actually do Pet Puja. That's exactly what we're going to do. So now we have to do a small Dudhsagar water crossing. That was an adventure. I was really not too keen on going fast because I didn't want to show off. because I seen a biker just fall in front of me. I'm not sure if I captured. No, I think the camera was off. So yes, the biker fell down when he was coming in from that side. So I didn't want to show off and say okay, Laila will be, because Laila is heavy and I am 5.5. So to control Laila in off-roading, it becomes a little difficult because your bike is a little high and the flooring is a little off. Don't take the risk. So this is our first destination. Yes, we could not go to the small Dudhsagar or the little Dudhsagar. It's only because the locals were there and also the police personnel were not allowing people to go in. So we tried convincing them that we are locals and we want to go there, but unfortunately we could not go there. So we didn't want to be rough on them because ultimately they are the lions in their own area. So yes, we have actually come to another, you can hear, I'm not sure if you can hear the waterfall actually at the moment, but we have come to another place and we have one more on to see after this. Sorry? We have one more place to see after this?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have one more place to see after this. That is what
we are visiting Tiger Waterfall.
So right now we are visiting Tiger Waterfall. Oh my god, I hope there are no tigers here. The waterfall for you. We didn't spend much of the time over here. It's only because it's very close to a small little temple right here and the locals do not allow people to come in. So it's time for us to go ahead to the next spot. Till then, see you. Again, at the mercy of the locals, this is a small route that we have to take. No one will guess this route actually. Oh my god. Isn't that beautiful? Chalo, chalo. झाड़ियों में चलो, झाड़ियों में. So I'm going to keep distance because you need to see the road, and if you go too close to each other you won't be able to see the road, and with Laila being very heavy, she weighs 210 kgs, it becomes difficult to lift her up in case she has to tend to lean on one side. Tell me below in the comments how you feel about this place. So now they're trying to clear the bushes in front. And yes, we welcome the rains. So after the small off-road into the jungle, it is time for us to walk towards the waterfall. Something is going on my leg. Okay. Yes. Well, this is Into the Wild on Net Zero with Mumbaikar Boy and Ron, not Rajnikant and Akshay Kumar this time. Fucking hell. All are enjoying it so much that we don't want to get out of here. It's also raining, but this is the ultimate spot that we have got. The camera is acting funny because the raindrops the waterfall drops are falling on the camera, so we can't take pictures. That's the reason I'm shooting this video. Well, after a beautiful lunch, we were all tired and on our way home, and then we decided to stop by this beautiful bridge or something that the boys, this is unplanned that we have reached here. So let's go ahead and see what it is. Not really sure. So yes, this is the third location as of now, and yes, we have come to the most creepiest places ever.
So hey guys, I hope you enjoyed both the venues. Yes, this is not because we knew the places, but it is because of Austin. I would like to thank Austin for actually bringing us to these places, because these places are only known to locals. Hence, I will also not put any location, anything on the video. It's only because once it's known to people, public, that's when we go ahead and put garbage and throw bottles and stuff. So let these places be beautiful. Let these places be unknown. Well, this is Mumbaikar Boy saying thank you so much. See you on our next vlog. There are more places to explore in Goa, definitely. And if there's any places that you want us to explore, please leave it in the comment box and I'll be happy to answer them. Austin, thank you very much.